Good day, everyone. I am Mrs. Rodelyn D. Kael, your subject teacher for Mathematics Grade 6. For this Module 5, Quarter 2, the topic is all about exponents and exponential notation. After the lesson, you are going to describe the exponent and the base in a number expressed in exponential notation. And also you're going to give the value of numbers expressed in exponential notation. Now we have here a word problem. Cindy saved 2 pesos on Monday, 4 pesos on Tuesday, 8 pesos on Wednesday, 16 pesos on Thursday, and so on. If the pattern continues, how much will she save on Sunday? How much will her total savings be in that week? Let us try to answer the following questions. What is asked in the problem? So the problem asked for the amount Cindy saved on Sunday and also the total savings in the week. What are the given facts? So given, Cindy saved 2 pesos on Monday, 4 pesos on Tuesday, 8 pesos on Wednesday, 16 pesos on Thursday, and so on. What do you observe in the pattern? The pattern shows that Cindy was able to save twice as much as she saved the previous day. What operation should you use to solve the problem? For this question, we will use multiplication. And for this question, we will use addition for the word total. What is the answer? Okay, the answer for this question is 128 pesos. Why? Since the savings is twice as much as she saved the previous day, so meaning to say, like this one, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 4, or twice 4 is 8, twice 8 is 16. So meaning to say Friday twice 16 is 32 pesos. And twice 32 pesos, that is 64 pesos on Saturday. And twice 64 pesos, that is 128 pesos on Sunday. So that is the answer for this question. And for this question, we will just simply add 2 pesos, 4 pesos, 8 pesos, 16 pesos, 32 pesos for Friday, 64 pesos for Saturday, and 128 pesos for Sunday. So the total savings amounted to 254 pesos. So we have here the expression 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 can also be expressed as 2 to the 4th power. So 2 is our base and 4 is our exponent. The expression 2 to the 4th power is called an exponential notation or exponential form. The number 2 is called the base and the number 4 is called the exponent. The exponent tells how many times the base is used as a factor. Thus, in the expression 2, the exponent 4 tells that the base 2 is used as a factor 4 times. Therefore, we can say that 2 to the 4th power, we can also read this one as 2 to the power of 4 or 4th power of 2 is equal to, or the meaning of this one is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and the value is 16. So we have here a table that shows an exponential expression. So for column 1, exponential notation 4 to the 2nd power, or it could be also read as 4 squared. 4 to the second power or 4 squared. So the meaning is 4 times 4 and the value is 16. Exponential notation 2 to the third power or 2 cubed. So that is meaning of this one is 2 times 2 times 2 or the value is 8. 7 to the power of 4 or it could be also fourth power of 7, meaning is 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 and the value is 2401. So we have here another examples. Example number 1, write 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 in exponential notation, then evaluate. So the base is 3 since 3 is used as a factor 4 times. The exponent is 4. Therefore, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 in exponential form, that is 3 to the fourth power, or the value is 81. Example number 2, letter A, 4 to the fifth power. 4 here is used as a factor 5 times. So 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, the value is 1024. Letter B, that is 9 to the third power or 9 cubed. So 9 is used as a factor 3 times. So 9 times 9 times 9 times 9, the value is 729. Letter C, we have negative 6 to the fifth power. So negative 6 is used as a factor 5 times. So negative 6 times negative 6 times negative 6 times negative 6 times negative 6. So our answer here is 7,776, not 729. Since our power is an odd number, so the result is negative. So final answer is negative 7,776. But if our power here, for example, if it is 4, so we come up with only with a positive answer. But if the power is 7 or 9, so the same, the answer should be negative. So we have here exponents are also useful when writing powers of 10. Numerical expressions as 10, 10 squared, 10 cubed, and so on are called powers of 10. So like this example, 100,000 is equal to 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. So observe that there are 5 zeros in 100,000. So 10 is used 5 times as a factor. Thus, to write 100,000 in exponential, we have 100,000 is equal to 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 is equal to 10 to the fifth power. So another examples here for number 1, 1,000. So that is 10 times 10 times 10 or 10 to the third power or 10 cubed. Remember also that if we have 3 zeros here, our exponent also is 3. It should be equal. The number of zeros here is equal to our exponent. The second example, 10,000. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Since we have 4 zeros here, so that is 10 to the fourth power. The next example is, this is 1 million, not 100,000, 1 million. So lacking zeros here, so since 1 million consists of 6 zeros, so 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, so that is 10 to the sixth power. This is not the way how we write 1 million, huh? We still have another 0 here. So when a number except 0 is raised to the 0 power, the result will always be 1. So if we have here negative 18 to the power of 0, so that is 1. 14 to the power of 0, that is still 1. Even if we have 1 million raised to the power of 0, that the value is still 1. We have here another given, example number 3. We will try to evaluate each expression if f is equal to 2, g is equal to 5, and h is equal to 6. For number 1, g plus f squared. So we have here g is equal to 5, so we have 5, and f squared, f is equal to 2, so 2 squared, value of 2 squared is 4, since 2 squared is 2 times 2, so 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, so the value of g plus f squared is 9. Next example is h cubed minus g squared. Since h is 6 and g is 5, so 6 cubed minus 5 squared, value of 6 cubed is 216, because 6 times 6 times 6 is 216. 5 squared or 5 times 5 is 25, so 216 minus 25 is 191. Therefore, the value of h cubed minus g squared is 191. Next example is 2f cubed. Since we just copy 2, value of f is 2, then copy the exponent 3. 2 cubed, value of 2 cubed or 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So 2 times 8 is 16. So 2f cubed, that is equal to 16. gh minus f cubed. G is 5, h is 6, and f is 2. Just copy exponent 3. 5 times 6 is 30. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So 30 minus 8, that is 22. gh minus f cubed, therefore, is equal to 22. F cubed g squared minus h cubed. F is equal to 2. Just copy the exponent 2. G is equal to 5. We still have here the exponent 2, 5 squared. This is supposed to be 5 squared. H is equal to 6. Just copy the exponent 3. 2 cubed or 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 5 squared or 5 times 5 is 25. And 6 cubed or 6 times 6 times 6 is 216. 8 times 25 is 200. Just copy 216. 200 minus 216, that is 16. Since 216 is bigger than 200, so the final answer is negative 16. Therefore, f cubed g squared minus h cubed is equal to negative 16. Okay, for this activity, what's more, you will be the one to answer. Remember that you are going to write these given numbers in exponential form. Write the answer only. Do not copy the given anymore. Now you have learned that exponential notation is a way of shorthand for exceptionally large numbers and exceedingly small numbers. A number in exponential notation has a base and exponent. The base is written bigger than an exponent. The base is the repeated factor. Any non-zero number with a zero exponent is equal to 1, like 5 to the power of 0, that is equal to 1. Any number raised to the exponent 1 is equal to the number itself, like 16 to the power of 1, that is equal to 16. The exponents tell how many times the base is used as a factor, like 7 squared, so I need to say 7 times 7. The number of zeros found after the digit 1 in a power of 10 corresponds to the exponent of 10, like 1000 with 3 zeros, that is why it is equal to 10 cubed. For this activity, you are also going to answer this one. Just evaluate, write the answer only. Your final answer, do not copy the given. Okay, for your last activity assessment, you're only going to copy the expanded form column and also the value column and write your answers here. Write your answer directly. Okay, that's all for today and thank you.